My ecosystems challenge was a volcanic eruption. What would happen if there were to be a volcanic eruption in the rainforest? Organisms in the rainforest that can fly, such as toucans, macaws, parrots, finches, etc., can fly to a new ecosystem and have a chance at survival. But the terrestrial organisms such as howler monkeys, golden lions, sloths, jaguars, ocelots, etc., would die because of the harmful gases and the lava flow. If they don't, the animals still alive would perish because of the lack of food. Over time, dirt will blow in and settle on the lava rock, allowing seeds to grow, starting the circle of life once again.